Hello guys, I wouldn't ask you if you see me okay or not, because probably not, but I have an excuse. We have problems with electricity and in the streets too, so that is a little bit dark and I get in free late, so we have what we have. But I have very short news updates about last 24 hours. So yesterday in my video I mentioned that we had an electricity till 5 p.m. Today and yesterday. Today till 5 p.m, yesterday till 4 p.m. But tomorrow, unfortunately, we are back to our, let's say, normal schedule. So starting from 5 a.m. till 12 at night. So we will see. Unfortunately, this night was also not really quiet in Ukraine and Kyiv. I would speak about this today. And short, what I found in the internet super funny, Financial Times wrote an article about the guy that been collecting Tesla from US, maybe after accident, I don't remember, different Teslas, and now he used and sells Tesla batteries to the people apartments, because Tesla batteries can provide electricity for the flats for 10 hours. Like, how great, we use now Tesla batteries in our apartment. Like, great. I was like, such an amazing idea. I have an electric car and I'm not sure if I'm ready to share my battery with my apartment, because either way I cannot drive next day or cannot use my apartment. Something happened. So I keep it as I have. So this night, unfortunately, Ukraine and Kyiv region was under the drone attack. 38 Shaheds were coming to Ukraine and we intercepted 25 of them. 3 of them crossed Romanian border. And unfortunately, there is consequences of this attack. So in Kyiv region, the debris fell in the Vyshgorod, destroyed 10 private houses, 2 shops, and that thankfully there are no casualties and dead. Unfortunately, there are 2 dead in Izmail, it's Odessa region. Also, Russia hit Zhytomyr. There is in Zhytomyr region, there is damage in infrastructure and private houses. Also, there was 9-time shelling near the Sumy border, and of course, in the daily basis, Kherson, Zaporizhia are constantly under the attack. Also, a couple of words what was happening in Russia. It was drone attack in city Kursk, and we target only military bases. Because we have to protect our land, because Russia killing civilians and send rockets in our buildings, schools, hospital. So we have to hit the military places. So Kursk was under the attack, and later I checked in the news that Russian military helicopter Mi-28 crashed. Actually, it's very great news, because he was chasing the drones. So that is karma, because Russia should experience the same what they did in our land. All the grief they bring to us, they will understand this only when they experience the same. So this is my short news updates with little bit late. If you don't happy with quality of this video, please blame Russia, as I do. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for your supporting and buying me matches, writing me comments, and follow me. I'm very happy to share some information about my country with you. And if you have any questions, please write me in the comments. And see you very soon. And thank you again. Bye bye.